This five-star hotel sits in the bustling metropolis of Shanghai. The interior lighting creates a light maze as an extraordinary spatial experience for guests. In common areas, fixtures are concealed in folding metal wall screens to strengthen the sense of space, while a central chandelier is a visual focus, like a bright moon suspended overhead. Reception and corridor spaces create a soft, warm, zen atmosphere through slightly illuminated bamboo curtains. Minimal downlights provide accent lighting. Guest rooms use traditional Chinese garden palettes with appropriately soft lighting, all dimmable to provide the desired atmosphere and cost control. Judges applauded the collaborative effort of the design team that resulted in an urban oasis that redefines the role of light in healing and enriching the guest experience.